teaches us how to find true happiness in this life. And I suppose we are already leading a life that makes us happy, but in the proper way. Let me remind you, my dear brothers and sisters, that true happiness can only be found in God. No more, no less. Sa Diyos mo lamang matatagpuan ang tunay na kasiyahan at kaligayahan ng buhay. Wala kang ibabawas, wala kang idadagdag doon sa Kanya lang, at wala nang iba. Ang tanong,